How to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now in order to get the public profile option, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the birthday option and make sure you are 18 years and above in order to get the public profile option, as this feature is available only for individuals of 18 years and above. Now, go back to Settings and scroll down to the Privacy Controls tab and further tap on the Show Me in Quick Add option. Now go ahead and toggle on the Show Me in Quick Add toggle button, and now if you go back, you will be able to see the public profile option. And if the option is still not available, check if you are using an updated version of Snapchat or not, and also public profiles may not be available in all regions. Check if it is supported in your location. So, this is how you can fix Snapchat public profile not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.